What would be your advice to people going through heartbreak, like me?
Oh no! I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
I've just been through heartbreak recently, but no, now I'm fine. Now I'm great. But I think there's not much that you can do really. Just feel the pain. Number one, I think that the only way to go through the pain and really get rid of it is just letting it out and feel it. If you block it, it doesn't. It's not good. And it's something that really helped me was just keep remembering that. I know it's cliche, but what's meant to be will be, and if it has not been, that means something bigger is waiting for you.
Yeah, I do agree with that. It really resonates to me that when you are going through a heartbreak, you should just feel it. You don't resist it, because it's part of being human.
For sure. And I feel by really suffering, weirdly sounds weird, but by really feeling my pain and be sad, because it is sad, there's nothing you can do to sugarcoat it, I guess, and it's very painful. So you just cry and you just stay with it for days, but then at some point, I guess, naturally you just go up from there, right? So there's no other way of avoiding it. So I think it's something natural. It happens in life, and you can rise after that, and you grow even more stronger.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
And I have something to add with that one as well. I would say people should have outlet, to regulate their emotions when they're going through pain and suffering. And one thing is to listen to Valentina Ploy's songs, right?
Please do that.